Hello everyone, in this video I am going to teach you one more time how to log into flipgrid using the QR code. So the first thing you're going to do is to open a browser. No matter you're using an iPad or a computer, first you need to open a browser. So I'm using Google Chrome here. And then you're going to type flipgrid.com on here, okay? Flipgrid.com. All right, and that should take you to this home page of Flipgrid, okay? So, and then you're gonna scroll down a little bit, okay? And then you will see a little bit of a QR code here, this QR code sign here, okay? If you put your mouse here, you will see it says scan a Flipgrid QR code. So click on this. And then it should pop up a little camera spot for you to scan your QR code. So here I'm using Anna's as an example. So I have Anna's QR code right here. So put it. Ta-da! You're logged in and your name should be right here on the top right. And you should see 2019-2020 Chen Lao's third grade class. And you will see the assignment. All right. So that's how you log into Flipgrid. Let me know if you have more questions about this. Thank you.